let's say you get that thing right there, convertible top not locked. Okay, see, convertible top not locked. I got it. There's other things too, but I'll tell you what that can be sometimes. It can be, we're going to turn this off now so I don't have to talk over it. So you still get that signal there. What that can be is right back here. Right back there. So, and you can actually go to the boot and open up your boot lid and uncover your tools, and you'll find a little ziggy-zaggy tool. And I have it, but I wanted to use this just to show you what it is. It is a 4mm tool. This 4mm tool can be used to lock your top. This thing, be careful taking this out because it does break relatively easily. And you just take that out like that, and you'll see locked, unlocked. And you'll also know that on the convertible top back behind there is another place for this thing that's a little bit more difficult, but you can raise and lower your rear window. There's a bunch of videos on that, so let me show you up in here. So convertible top not locked. See that right there? So that simply, I don't think I've got 97 hands, but all you got to do, and be careful about this, and then you spin the pickle here, and you can see the top actually pulling down. Now there's a Hall's effect sensor in there, and it may just be that it's just 1/2 a turn off, and this will keep you from going to our friendly dealership down the street and then being somewhat unfriendly to you. And I've had this happen a couple of times. It's not a big thing. Cars get a little age on them, and see, it goes a long way. I've been up in there before. It's quite the screw thread. And you want to make sure this is, latched nicely, because you're going 120 kilometers per hour or something, and you'll feel it just get tight, and then there you go. And let's take the key out, and let's see if that comes back. It probably may. I'll tell you the truth, I don't even see any reason of putting that thing back in there. I mean, it's just, just put it in there with your Altoids, right? In case you get a date. Okay, so let's see, what was that? 4mm? Yeah, 4mm. And so let's see if we get that signal again. Okay. Fasten safety belt. Convertible top not locked. Now that oh well. We know that it is. It might take it a couple of times, a couple of cycles to do that. I know that it is locked because I saw it lock. I can see that I'm spinning it the right way. Could be that sensor's gone bad on me. That can certainly happen, but don't tighten it any more than you have to. And okay, there you go. Let's try it again. I may do it, but I feel very secure in that. All right. Let's see if it does it. It may do it. Convertible top not locked. Well, I know that it is. And you can be secure in knowing that it is too. I mean, like I say, it may cycle a few times. I'm having trouble with other Hall's effect sensors on the top. But at least give that a try, and at least you'll feel safer knowing it's like that. See, not every video works out perfectly. Okay. Well, anyway, give me a thumbs up, at least for showing you this, and telling you the tool in the boot does not look like this. It's very, very stupid looking. It just looks like a Z. I don't know. I think it may even be back here. Let's see if oh, good gosh, put my hands on it. I can't believe it. This is what it looks like. I'm glad I found that. There it is. I don't know, it made me think it was behind the seat, but it is. And see, now the convertible top lock thing is gone. Okay, well, good. Maybe it did go away, but that's what it looks like, and it's sitting right in your toolkit. You own this tool, unless somebody's gone through your toolkit and stripped it or something. But that's what it looks like. Okay, all right. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot for watching. See ya. Subscribe, please. I would appreciate the rebuilding of my channel. Bye-bye.